Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can add email to your Telegram. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video, write your comments. And let's get started. So, friends, first of all, open the Telegram app itself. Next, go to Settings at the bottom. Here, select Privacy and Confidentiality. Next, friends, you'll need to go to two-step verification at the top. If you don't have it activated, then activate it. You will just need to come up with a password to do this. If you have it active, like I do, then you will just need to enter the password. For the two-step verification, click Next. And now, friends, when you enter your password, you'll be taken to a page like this. Here you will be able to, for example, change your password, delete your password. You can also set your recovery email address here. For that, friends, you will need to click right here. Now you'll need to enter your email address and add further. After that, you will get an email from Telegram where there will be a code consisting of 6 digits. You will need to enter it after you get this email to confirm your email address. After that, you will have a confirmed email. Just in case you forget your password for the two-step verification, you will be able to recover your Telegram using your email that you have added beforehand. That's how you will be able to add email to Telegram, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Friends, please leave your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.